The 14th teaching, the Triad of Nature's Qualities. Lord Krishna. I shall teach you still more of the farthest knowledge one can know. Knowing it, all the sages have reached perfection. Resorting to this knowledge, they follow the ways of my sacred duty. In creation, they are not reborn. In dissolution, they suffer no more. My womb is the great infinite spirit. In it I place the embryo, and from this, Arjuna, comes the origin of all creatures. The infinite spirit is the great womb of all forms that come to be. In all wombs, and I am the seed-giving father. Lucidity, passion, dark inertia. These qualities inherent in nature bind the unchanging embodied self in the body. Lucidity, being untainted, is luminous and without decay. It binds one with attachment to joy and knowledge, Arjuna. Know that passion is emotional, born of craving and attachment. It binds the embodied self with attachment to action. Know dark inertia, born of ignorance, as the delusion of every embodied self. It binds one with negligence, indolence, and sleep, Arjuna. Lucidity addicts one to joy, and passion to actions. But dark inertia obscures knowledge and addicts one to negligence. When lucidity dominates passion and inertia, it thrives. And likewise, when passion or inertia dominates the other two. When the light of knowledge shines in all the body's senses, then one knows that lucidity prevails. When passion increases, Arjuna, greed and activity, involvement in actions, disquiet and longing arise. When dark inertia increases, obscurity and inactivity, negligence and delusion arise. When lucidity prevails, the self whose body dies enters the untainted worlds of those who know reality. When he dies in passion, he is born among lovers of action. So when he dies in dark inertia, he is born into wombs of folly. The fruit of good conduct is pure and untainted, they say, but suffering is the fruit of passion. Ignorance, the fruit of dark inertia. From lucidity, knowledge is born. From passion comes greed. From dark inertia comes negligence, delusion, and ignorance. Men who are lucid go upward. Men of passion stay in between. Men of dark inertia, caught in vile ways, sink low. When a man of vision sees nature's qualities as the agent of action and knows what lies beyond, he enters into my being. Transcending the three qualities that are the body's source, the self achieves immortality, freed from the sorrows of birth, death, and old age. Arjuna. Lord, what signs mark a man who passes beyond the three qualities? What does he do to cross beyond these qualities? Krishna. He does not dislike light or activity or delusion. When they cease to exist, he does not desire them. He remains disinterested, unmoved by qualities of nature. He never wavers, knowing that only qualities are in motion. Self-reliant, impartial to suffering and joy, to clay, stone, or gold, the resolute man is the same to foe and friend, to to blame and praise. The same in honor and disgrace, to ally and enemy. A man who abandons involvements transcends the qualities of nature. One who serves me faithfully with discipline of devotion transcends the qualities of nature and shares in the infinite spirit. I am the infinite spirit's foundation, immortal and immutable, the basis of eternal sacred duty, and of perfect joy.